Autumn, my favorite time of the year. So much going on. Leaves turning, family and friends, Thanksgiving, and what better way to kick off our family theme recipes with a wonderful roasted chicken dinner recipe. I always begin this recipe by cutting up some vegetables, so I'm going to begin here with the potatoes. So we'll just slice these up. Just add these to the bottom of a roasting pan. And I'm using white potatoes here, but you can use any kind of potato you like. Even sweet potatoes are great. Then some carrots. And just go ahead and slice these. And just add these in with the potatoes. You can use whatever type of veggie you like. I just like potatoes and carrots. Take that one out. And I should add too that the size is entirely up to you. Just keep in mind these are going to roast for about an hour and a half. Then we'll drizzle some olive oil over top of the veggies. And season them up with some salt. Fairly generous amount here. And my all-time favorite, some ground black pepper. Give these a little toss here. Just get them nicely coated. I have to admit, when I was growing up, this was one of my all-time favorite Sunday dinners of roasted chicken. That still is, for that matter. I just love it. Now we have our veggies done. Let's move on to the chicken. And I'm going to start with the cavity and season this up with a good teaspoon of salt and some pepper. A lot of people ignore the cavity, and it's one of the most important parts of the bird. That's where the majority of your flavors come from. So I'm going to add some seasoning to it, and I'm going to add quite a bit just to bring out those superb flavors in the bird. And to bring out those additional flavors, along with the salt and pepper, I'm going to add in 3 cloves of garlic, a quartered onion. I also really like lemons, so I'm going to add in a quartered lemon, a couple of sprigs of fresh thyme. Oh, this is just so wonderful. I love it. Just break this in half and insert it into the bird. And something I'm going to add that has a really distinct, remarkable flavor is some lemongrass, and trust me on this one, guys. And what you want to do with this guy is just give it a slight bruise, just to bring out those wonderful, remarkable flavors. Just a tap with a meat tenderizer. Then just fold this up, I guess into 3 pieces. Oh, and this smells, I can't describe how incredible it smells. And you can pick this up, I got it at No Frills, but you can get it at just about any grocery store. And we will simply give this guy a tie up, just so he doesn't go anywhere. That's the last thing you want, is the chicken flying away on you. And give the wings a little tucky down, something like this. And believe me, there's nothing worse than pulling a bird out of the oven and the wings are all burnt on it. Now chicken on to the wire rack. A good application of melted butter. And a good application of salt. I don't know about you, but everybody loves a good crispy salty skin. And of course, some pepper. Just gotta have that pepper. Then this is going to go into a 380 degree Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius preheated oven for about an hour and a half. After 90 minutes, we are done, and it looks absolutely incredible. And just look how gorgeous and crispy that chicken is. And the whole house, guys, just smells absolutely fabulous. I mean, you're not going to get that anywhere. Wow. So we are just going to go ahead and plate this up. Grab up some of those potatoes and veggies. And look how tender and beautifully done these are. Oh, wow. And there it is, guys, the ultimate roasted chicken dinner. You're gonna love this. Now I can hardly wait to dig in here, guys, but first I'm gonna remove the string. Untie this poor guy. Okay, let's go ahead and cut into this guy and see what we have. Just look how juicy this looks. Perfectly done. Now, my favorite part is the breast, but let me know what your favorite part is. Maybe leave a comment in the section below. But this looks fantastic and it smells. Here we go again, but I wish we had smell-o-vision. Okay, it is time for that taste test. Wow, just look at this. And of course we gotta grab up some of that potato and some carrots. I'll tell you, a meal for a king. Let me tell you guys, this is really as good as it gets. You won't even get this in a restaurant, any supermarket, rotisserie, anything. It is absolutely incredible. The chicken is so juicy. That lemon, that onion, the garlic, just everything blends together so beautifully and shines through. Potatoes, carrots are done to perfection, just that oven roasted taste to them. Oh, it is, oh my goodness, I can't describe it. It is incredible. You got to make this. And the most important part is that lemongrass. Believe me, without the word of a lie, it makes all the difference in the world. Wow, that's all I can say. As always, guys, for the full details on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, please go ahead and do so. And remember, every weekend is a family recipe, and during the week is a 30-minute midweek recipe here at Cook and Share. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and see you next time.